I would recommend Celergen to my friend, especially to my friends and family, because it's a great product. I've seen the results. I'm a living and walking and breathing um, specimen to the benefits of Celergen. If anybody wants to look good, to feel better, if they have health problems, a lot of my clients are older and they are feeling the aches and pains of aging. This is for them. They are, I have a client who can travel now. She can walk all the time in Hong Kong and in Bangkok and wherever she travels. And she used to have to use a wheelchair because of all the walking, but because of Celergen, she's doing a lot more and it's really changing lives. This is why I would recommend it to all my friends and family.